Ebusian Saddick Adams, oh yes, sports Obama. Trouble Carlos, any other TikTokers abe clashing with Papa Swadum Chedia, Ghana police, any Ghana military, effort 31st December 9th year. Sorry, I just said, Prophet Swadum Chedia, you know. BBC, Emma Saddick Adams, Trouble Carlos, any TikTokers, air fire on that. Memon Tribune, watch the Wajamame, air comment section. I Penyah Brock Media, mess was any demo. Obe like video, no other about subscribe button, click notification, icon, latest updates. Now better the wide and mame, air comment section. Once or baswa. No idea for any biashe. 18 first but they didn't know PM place me, you know. Accra Sports Stadium, a year alpha hour. Anafe, you know, Philadelphia City, a year papa Saddick Chidi and a catch it. Na hono mono. And there was a BBC. Or some new question, and they go, you say, Adom be Adom one as omde match pass, eba. And you say Ghana police. And I say military for the be crafra. Just say, be parade. Ewa papa Stephen Adom Chidi, I saw them.
Reporting. Your Majesty. W. To the front. Right. Stand up. Hey. 3 hearty cheers to the voice of God. Brother. Let a who come out. Brother. 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 Right. Right. Come. Permission to carry on, sir.
Permission granted.
And you know, now it's like, hey, say, how does it? Just say, a woman said, police phone, you know, quasole, baby beer, but Mokoya parade was on them, no, what are you trying to prove? Like, say, any idea? Now we are said, Missy, you know, you know, and a video is surfacing on the internet, and a man for a tromboise. I have video, no, I digest them, say, Ghana police, under what circumstance do you reduce the police service to this? Say it's in trouble colors. Any journalists, any TikTokers, Abafia Ghana police for no power for this issue.
For me, a police for power.
Permission to carry on, sir.
Permission granted.
So for no OG salute. Na police for no more crisis from yesterday. Hey, soldier for you now more. Police, migration, soldiers. Wow. No more text there. Wow. The police for no ethics. To one more so. I would say case na nothing. Case na nothing. Me no ka saying. You be so. Ghana Police Service, IGP. Mu uniform na 7 taxpayer sika na yedi tuaka. Me bu samo. First of all, sir, police officer ACP Raymond Ahiame. Now on duty or duty and I say no off duty. That's question you be said. They are to be you. Soldiers in the police for him were they in duty? Were they on duty? Or no, we are or more off duty. Secondly, police for no on betimia use omu uniform in this situation because share the ethics of police for any moment to me ya hwade pacho hwade that's way police for say police cannot endorse brand services in with uniform afa sawba say so religion o sawba say so I say police cannot preach, evangelize or promote religious beliefs in uniform. Patotio, the police cannot evangelize, promote with their religious belief in with uniform. Eti omuko hon Ghana for Mr. IGP say ACP ahiame any sa boys ni nyina no more duty. Na so omu new duty dia aden omu perform certain duties with taxpayers uniform. This is interesting. This is a country. Wow. Ghana. The babia and now also for police man salute. So we His Majesty. This is interesting. Wow, Ghana.
Wow, that is Ghana police and military service mixed together. Ragazzi, Asamaba. Imagine say a whole ASP. Efre Osofo Adom Duah, Your Majesty. Na yakaso obi obi fobi Your Majesty a momoti asese. Ohene pon ohene kesie bi panyini bi anasa ohema bi. It is a whole ASP. Efre Adom Duah, Your Majesty. You need to understand say there is nothing tieniye. There is nothing Adom Duah ebeye. Anasa no ever standing against her. It can go on the sideway. Eye kasakwan ena mene Ghana for kamuntie ni ba. You see, medical cartams are Ghana no chrono a nkrofobia. Because a whole ASP, and yes, be a walker, sorry, and answer he was there to guide traffic. Senko sorry hono a true police need to be there because the crowd was massive security service. Assuring them will not say be wo. But for them to go there and march and march and salute Adom Kyei like a king, like a superior be a war power bino, a whole ASP Charlie. Imagine say papa we waka assembly etiano. And now say waka assembly anya ne de. Na papa we akwa report. And yes you are wrong of what you are saying, you know. Waka assembly anya ne de no akwa report. Ama ASP and now say waka report to come a different place. Na ASP I make you call. There be a make me say me call Ghana ben and yama de me swim be papa because Ghana chrono say belong to nkrofo into sa no say tiase because ankeba say and a traffic that day no there was this massive traffic on the road and here Ghana Army, Ghana Police, Ghana Security Service for them to protect the traffic. But there be the whole ASP a tra pousse e was shutting them. Chale media maka me say Ghana die e belong to nkrofo bi. Enti say say wo ya de na special with Ghana ho no mo a. Twene hum yenu. This is very deep obanyansa for yebu ni be yen kanasem and it is very sad at the same time.
Enti soldier for ni police for 31st night moko pie mo aso dem mu ene ne amoko ye. I sure you people know exactly what you are supposed to do. On my way mu ya nya atwomfo obia person oye bibi to please something else. How do you see a military man commanding his people to salute a man of God in their uniform? Now listen to me. Who ye police ni, who ye soldier ni a? Who say uniform no kwadia? And so would dab niembe be edi, especially ewa saw them, especially ewa bar, especially ewa places be. You are not supposed to affiliate your uniform to religion practices. Soldier for me and can't change any America me boy. Police for me and can't change me. It's your name, so we are soldier ni asuma okra say ko Dr. Wyatt I saw them because program be because one thing ko boa with security and who here say Duah obakobu kotodwe wa otenani o bompaye na ye. No, you should not be seen doing that once you are in the military or the police uniform. Eti ye call ye anaye by say nay soldier for to me mount a whole parade a salute and in the end they call him Your Majesty. How much did they pay you? Those officers who led the parade and those who were involved in the parade, how much were you paid? If you were ushering someone corner mukodi said Jumanwa, whoever ordered you to go and do it, you know, how much was he paid? I am not saying say you were bribed, but the truth is that when you know your professional conduct and you are able to sacrifice it, you don't care about the ethics of the profession you have chosen. You don't care about whatsoever the plans of the profession. You know, it baffles my mind. It hits my paper. It's the man mutu sana mono. The man mutu sana mono. Because mundim nyesa muye, baby ese mucha puse, baby ese mucha puse. How did we get here? And the reality is that so therefore abeye politicians, so therefore abeye. You see, yes, womo ye ni womo pe, yes, a police for they do things with some level of alacrity. They don't care, and cause we also say no. So a time is going to come. Ya bosom, and I'm going to here. Why are we doing this? Yes, I need the and the truth is that day I not soldier for the police for 1 more years. I did we know. Now Kumasi Kwanso traffic a bomb must have there was no policeman there to direct the traffic. People sat in the cars for hours. Once the car was just standing there, packed, wasting and burning fuel. Soldier 4 years. As for Moshe, say a man for betumi akwa aba yie no, they were in the auditorium saluting. Don't sit anywhere and say, Nyame nipa no almost salute now. No. The Bible even talks about the fact, say, give Caesar to Caesar.
Now, you know, that day, no, there was a heavy traffic. Yes, sir. Biana Papa Adom Chedi aso na kese esi no. That Kumasi to Accra road, no, that main route, no, a blocking for more than 18 hours, almost 24 hours. Now that heavy traffic congestion happened honomono. And no Anna Saddick Adams as until I said na MTTD phone omu dwumadien na omu henfent no nipa ba akope etimi cause this huge traffic e wo krom ha ana nyina na yetew na yehwe no ono so abe fire on that
ko Christmas mu ade a isi ya Ghana for do na ade omano atum a enisi e ma no etwa mu ko e wo se nyina ye kasa editia na ye pe ne poma sibre once and for all. Aye incident a esi wo Accra Kumasi highway, Ghana's major trunk road, Ghana's most accessible road to the other part of the country, the road that cut it through the capital to the second major city and to the other regions. Se Oshe Kwanya from 31st and now 28th, 29th, Echo DCC Kwanya Swa. Na se ye nsentro for yan kambia enya de se ye juma na ye no na ye di no kre e de ama oman. Se emfoni a ye be yi ne complaints e kosu me pa cho ni nyina ne se. And Jerry, mon try as much as possible. See, benya MTTD for no. Na bako emeyin sembia non tre. Se omaya ye timu a ye kwan bako a enu ne ye defa ayarefo, ye defa aduane, ye defa nipa, ye defa sika, ye defa timba, ye defa agudie. E kwan ya. Na sa kwan no on such a busy phase of the year. In fact, the busiest time of the year on the road. Na areho seme womne se ekwan no e blockade for more than 12 hours. Those who use the road, some of them omonya PTSD. Mo amote ase en munim de mechi. Ebi mo nya trauma. Se ekwan no kra omfa so biem. Se onye sika se o de befa flight a onfa so. Emfoni a mo hwe ye area shots, drone shots of adia esi wo Accra Kumasi highway. Na cars e parke e kwan ye mienu pe. Na cars etumi e choke sa for 8, 9, 10 hours. Onko ema. Adia we si wo broni bi kromanke ye national emergency because nipa bi da ambulance mbe loki wo kwan so ebi bewu minim nipa bi o makotro to omo Facebook ene X ene Instagram se omo mesi omo flight nipa bebre omo kwa brechire omo mesi omo flight because we better traffic him o person obedru Kotoka International Airport anopa nonwetwe ana nonkron ne flight no ebe to donko 1 p.m. enti se otimbe dru nonkron anopa o be say 7 hours to the flight enti wonye late wa prepare dress it through no fault of theirs, through no fault of theirs, through no natural accident, through no typhoon, through no hurricane. Enya dia nyankopon aya dia bia ye na mepacho munya abotre na monhwe TV ne so na monhwe from awiem e bia de mo hu social media no na no dia akwa se oh obi na etwa we a drone shots ye twa dia tremo for how many minutes enya bibi na asi o nya accident nkwanhia chef bia forest no ekwan bia na ba bia o loki wa loki ambulance aka ka ye de aduane ba aka obi ma ye omo take away omo beche aka ni nyina say. Nobody is quantifying the amount of loss, economic loss, man-hour loss, productive loss on that stretch in the 3-4 days. You can't want them. A month for Messi on flights. They have to pay for a new ticket. Who do they complain to? Whose negligence caused this? Because we're too free, what did traffic move from wa? Kakran kakra obedru Kumasi Accra highway. Traffic at Chinama what did 9 hours. Aka 14 now wake up from wa hamileno. Necessary or ye 3 days. Ewo kwine so. Na abra na no de wa tonchene etu kwine mpono. No mudi sa hours no. Edie ne kofa sa de na asem ne ba ya. Ye say asori be mienu miensa. Ena ye no kwine so. Na ansori na omo ye no. Ye nyina ye nim nipa ombeba. Ghana empanyimfo anticipate say especially MTTD se obi be ye program na eben ekwan na mo hu se kwan so obi ko ni kroma kodi bronya de ya no wo kodi new year wa ye event wa fa canopy ne niam a wode ko wa be new year na twam wo kwan so wa di new year wo kam MTTD form for statement kra Nicholas mo statement from MTTD Jerry mo statement be from Ghana Roads and Highway for Hwana omo kasa about this incident say Ebin CBM. On my way, asem to obi na atwam next year besensi. Because nobody is interested in talking about very key things I want to say affect you obi. Obi ya na dwumadi onye. Na mom say de be ya enkwafa affect you obi nso. Amanfo lusu sika twitwi die because we lose contracts oni obi be hia abeya de we did traffic him we seem so beba be do 7 hours earlier but traffic at 10 hours on the road hwekwan ya kwan ya no Gogginsberg time 1925 yemiem na yemiem no so nyansa so e be keep kwan no accessible so ye nibi enti obi asori a oye de ope krom ha obi to ne badin wotimi block kwan o to ne badin o ono ana wo obi anya ne hwe wakwa kofa ni na kodonkuya bi awari chochopo bi awari obi o Ghana no odwe ho awonte ase obi ware na ware ketua bi mo half bag no anu awofio wasi kwan obi krama kura wo otumi si kwan ye yie kruma onko je permit enti wo drive wa na udu ho a wo ni obi koye meeting wo be say udu ho 30 minutes earlier wo ba drive wa du baby na obi a block kwan no ye half bag ye more half bag ne chicken small 7 kilo ye anwa half ye no oye no ho wo si kwan je se wo 10 ya na je se ye mfa hwe nya adwuma kruma na major highway a ye transport virtually everything amanfo koye adwuma bi tu kwan wa lose ne flight because ye sorry na MTTD for so anwene anko akire hu se ekwan no ye adwuma die ne se ye na be protect ekwan no na aye accessible obi a wo fufuo adi awia ma fufuo no adigest ama wa jane nan ama komasa ade no ka na otim no nko mo hwe na bi nie wa wo fufuo asuma girl ya mana koto momoni wo kroma ba ofafo makoto momoni aba wanya oba okwan ho wo fufuo ama no wadi adi fufuo hwe hours edi wo fufuo aye nyado ankwan anu anam na noa tete abene wadi awie akoba akokra de ode mattress wo daka ne so munyi mame ne adi bibia ye joke wo kroma next year na sensi nti ubehu se na the production eba form because obi ampese obeye adwuma okwan ne so saada no yen kasentia obi asori debi yen kasentia obi nyame debi but ye kwan no ye nanam wo mo de sekan de twa kwan yo ye nanam wo mo de sekan de yi kwan no mo friend communal labor o mo yi kwan o difri adro ba ko suku mu na ye de sekan pipe ni ebu nnua nti mo nim nyansa nne na mo ba mo ye mo kwan no na mo si no a ye nkasentia mo nyame bata bosomfo no de akuma yi kwan yemfie adioson ne ye komu yentumi nye bi hwebabia cars nam obi okokuma se wonam kwan so hwebabia okofa na wei de mi hu ne se saa da no se akromfo bi tisi kwan ne so a danger bi si ye na tanka bi ko blow ya enka nipa be wu da no but Ghana hwe obi na wada o criticize akoye kura de mi hu no ra o san de ayese ye kura wadi kwan no so sada wada de matresaba ebia no aduani gale adua ye yesu so na ye disi so na jo be sore na aben wa no aduani gale kwan no so adi kan nko statement bia mai obi an calculate ade am ya US ne sa man ne de nti e mo ye powerful no nka obi a calculate the amount of money Ghana lost that day easy amount of money a Ghana forest amanfo akaka anko aduane esai kwan no so da no meetings amanfo ko mantimi anko mo se traffic bi chi wo US say 6 or 7 hours a day bi omo calculate the amount of money o man lose ye na akire mo se ade na modi ye no sabe nkwase asem na modi ye de ye lose nie na da ba ne betimanya bia hyem ye mfa hwe nya adwuma wo kroma nti ye besre MTTD4 ye be hia nkyeremu se mo na mo anya mo adwuma ye bi ko mo de ne se mbembo kwan ho bai obi ntimi mfa bibia mesi kwan so enya nkwanhia ade ya ne se o ma we typhoon hurricane Katrina no se nke bi sisi ha nka obia ntiase because ade enya natural disaster correct me halted the whole system. How? We have to wait for a statement. Mo be amfane say we are brushing this under the carpet. No, and nobody is speaking against anybody's God. But obi so nam kwaso kosumo no so nyame. Okopeni sika onyi nyame ni. Yesi your mind no obi our religious freedom. Enti MTTD4 media men fan kwhye obi a na sasa chiwa wo hoyi. Ubetima so the bench abesi kwam no block kwan no. Ye was school obi atimi ka twi but emranti say don't speak vernacular. Who speak vernacular? We a personal non grata. Emra en obi abuso a hwan mo na hihye emra no na hwan mo na eba betre statement am ye hu say MTTD4 nanka ye djuma say ne ye djuma dia bi koso na number of people say beba ho a ye national security threat nti yenko protect kwan no ne yenko hwe say traffic congestion ye be control traffic ye djuma no enye mo adwuma ne se mo gina kwan so na mo stress ska your boys are here embarrassment no eye MTT dia no pay me wo mo so mo fa statement bia ma abotima ye hu de see da no amanfo lusu o mo flight amanfo chese ye niam esi da no se ni pa kira se aka ne mo lusu ya ka obehu ba Ghana obi ampekasa abrochi anko obi akosiu komo akosiu obi fama nyame nti MTTD4 na me wo mo so anopai se asori ba ku mieru miensa kra na mo nipa no block kwan na edie na na mo ye mo betimi akose no ba bia mo ye asori no emma kwan no nko nti mo nye wo ha mo movie said obi de bench beto kwan mo betimi akase onyi no mo di DV4 ka ti mo di DV mo di moto chase DV ti said ye Colombia for di koke agumaba DV. And you may serious movie up to now. DV can't come out statement. This a man who deep in DV. Mo money pana. Mo penny for no kasanchi almost no pay. You see a pay statement who dear course so dano. Na mo ashu say bin CBM. Na obi o say punish na yam punish. anya sa next year obi aso be kwa akoye me nuam nkramofo kra santan ya me so mente ase ye ya sorry etimi block kwan amua no kra ba ko pani aka ena na nsen ebi ye jai because me hu ne say criticism say no eboa say oh osum you don't block road obi so ko hospital obi so ade nipa to ambulance obi di sika ekọ baabi enti si ebenya baabi aya sorry a mayan ko block ekwan there is a way the NTF no kwan enya sa omo ya say next year obi abe na sorry wo kwan ho sere be nipa be dan ebeba enti hindu for the omo de ebeba kramofo so beba be boy so ya tent wo kwan ho ya kra de ye koto nti wo ka no ba ye hu ye tisi form na obetimi de atwa fa ye so dabi na fe tarabin for so de o ma sorry abe bokwan ho na ne Kumasi Accra road no yan turn no into a church ne obi amfa plane ye ni kwan da babia na ato now MTT the phone na ya madwe say ade na si ya no ye ne din ya beko how can we sit in a country and allow things like this to fester as obi aye de pay you with impunity and security agencies aso na de meni obi any problem aso 7-8 because omu bu mra so a ana omo ya de na overwhelm me omo a emra fo bi na so ne omo di omo he mudi di DV fo achi is a man who's obi a rasta my friend you are not my friend sa juma kesi say yantemonka say yan frem mpo anka munya hu say traffic ati ba bi 2 hours no kama rush ho na makwa direct traffic
Obet ma chere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section. Penyah block media.